Hey everyone! If you're like me, you probably find your daily commute to be a bit of a drag. Sitting in traffic or packed into a crowded train can really take a toll on your body and mind. But what if I told you that you could turn that unproductive time into a mini gym session? Yep, you heard that right. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your commute your gym. First, let's talk about the problem with our daily commute. Sitting for long periods isn't just boring, it's also bad for your health. It can lead to stiffness, aches, and a serious lack of energy. And let's be honest, who needs more stress in their life? So why not use that time to get active? Transform your commute into a workout. It's easier than you think, and you don't need any fancy equipment. Whether you're walking, standing, or waiting for public transport, there are simple exercises you can do on the go. Let's dive into some examples. If you're walking, try adding in some lunges or calf raises. Not only will this get your blood flowing, but it's also great for strengthening your legs. If you're standing and waiting, do some squats or try arm circles. These exercises are perfect for getting your muscles moving without drawing too much attention. Now you might be thinking, but what if I'm not super fit? No worries. These exercises can be tailored to your fitness level. Start with a few reps and gradually increase as you get more comfortable. Safety is key, so make sure you're aware of your surroundings and wear appropriate attire for exercising. Stay hydrated and be mindful of your form to prevent any injuries. And remember, it's not about going all out from day one. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you get used to them. Now let's talk about the benefits. By incorporating fitness into your daily routine, you'll notice increased energy levels, improved mood, and reduced stress. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some exercise if you have a busy schedule. And who doesn't want to feel healthier and more productive? So give it a try and see what works best for you. Experiment with different exercises and find a routine that fits your commute. The flexibility and adaptability of this approach make it easy for anyone to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more active lifestyle.